Trust the timing of your life. Peace comes from within. Never stop learning. Focus on the good. Dream big. Work hard. Kindness is a gift everyone can afford. Silence is sometimes the best answer. Be patient. Everything takes time. Actions speak louder than words. Stay humble, work hard, be kind. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Your attitude determines your direction. Success starts with self-belief. Do good, and good will come to you. Time is the most valuable thing you have.
Small steps every day led to big results. Happiness is a choice. Learn from yesterday, live for today. Strong people don't give up. Be the reason someone smiles today. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Every day is a new beginning. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Stay positive, better days are coming. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Be strong, you never know who you are inspiring. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. Keep going, everything you need will come to you. Your only limit is your mind. Turn your dreams into plans. Don't be afraid to start over. Great things take time. Make today count. You are stronger than you think. Work in silence, let success make the noise.
Sometimes the person who smiles the most is hiding the deepest pain. There was a boy who always made everyone laugh, but no one ever asked if he was okay. Remember, not everyone who looks strong feels strong inside. Life doesn't get easier. You just get stronger. Every struggle you face today is building the person you will become tomorrow. People change, not because they want to, but because life forces them to. Pain teaches lessons that happiness never could. A man failed 100 times, but he didn't stop. On the 101st try, he succeeded. The only difference? He didn't quit. They laughed at you, doubted you, ignored you. Now it's your turn to prove them wrong. Never beg for attention. The right people will value you without asking.
सदका जारिया के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी और नासिर हो। आमीन। अल्लाह निगहबान।